Buying a new action cam, well, it's one of these things where you should really look at the small print. Buying an action cam is pretty easy. You go online, check it out where you get the cheapest deal and order it. My advice is, if you see a super cheap deal, it's maybe too good to be true. I prefer to buy my stuff directly from the manufacturer. So I go onto the GoPro website, for example, and order there. I go to the DJI website and order there. Because it's much easier to order directly from the manufacturer, even if it's a little bit more expensive maybe, but you have the backup. And that's the most important thing. For example, this one here. This is a replacement. I haven't opened it, it came like that. So that's already the biggest mistake, because what you should do is, when it gets delivered, open the box straight away. Ask the Peaky Biker. I think he ordered a GoPro and he got a CO2 alarm or something like that. So the point is, when you order that item, you have a contract with the company. i.e., if I order it from GoPro, I have a contract with GoPro or not with a courier company. If something gets lost, it's not your problem, because I bought it and I have the contract with GoPro to deliver it to me, put it in my hands. That's the reason why you should open the box straight away. Well, this is excellent. So I got a new GoPro 11 and 2 new batteries, because this is another point I want to make. So what happens if something goes wrong? Here are a couple of tips to help you along. First, get everything ready. In my case, for example, I had a swollen battery inside my GoPro 11. I send them the videos, I send them the photos, little statement. Within 10 minutes, I have my return number and everything was organized. As I mentioned, I buy all my camera equipment directly from the manufacturer if possible. So it's easy to interact with customer service because I have all the documents with me. And if it's registered with the manufacturer, they have everything on file as well. So it's much easier, and it doesn't matter if you're on the road somewhere in a foreign country. They always help you out. I bought this camera in England and now I'm in Germany, no problem at all. Another thing you should do is, when you buy stuff, pay with your credit card, because you're insured. If things go wrong, you can always go back to your credit card company and claim a refund. It really works if you have a bit of a plan and you are prepared, because things go wrong. Don't blame the customer service for your predicament, because they only do the job. So be smart, be prepared, and get on with it. And just remember, a smile goes a long way. So don't insult the people on the other end. They're only doing their job. Right, guys, that's it for today. I hope that tip helps you along. I see you around, and just remember, ride safe and stay safe. Bye.